Ayan, nilagyan ko na ng harang. Kasi kinakain niya yung aking mulberry na pinatutubo. My goodness, Mika. Ngayon lang siya tutubo eh. Kakainin pa niya. Ayan oh. Actually, may bunga na ito. Nakakatawa oh. So, anybody knows, do I have to remove that fruit that's growing there? Or just let it sit there? And look at that. Look at this one. May mga bunga. Ay, ang galing. Oh, ito oh. Ito yung Shangri-La. Ayan oh, nag-ano siya, nag-i-sprout na. Ayan. It's a good development. Guys, ayan oh. Ito yung galing kay Jason Lundbad. Ayan. He's very generous and very nice of him to let us have this cuttings of mulberries. I got world's best, Pakistan, and Shangri-La. So it's all sprouting. It's all making leaves and even fruit. That's funny, and it's too small. But I'm happy and excited for them to grow. And ito yung binigay niya sa aking figs. Red figs daw ito eh. Hindi ko matandaan kung what name is it. Okay, so far this is my mulberry. Very nice. And this one, the tall one, I should have cut them. But it's okay because it's still green. I tested it and scratched the trunk and it's still green. All right. Happy gardening.